Welcome back, students. Good afternoon. This is Alok Gupta, your mathematics mentor and coach at Khyati's EdTech. तो सुबह से फुल लेक्चर्स पूरे वीडियोस ले रहा हूँ मैं. So just took a short break for lunch. So दाल राइस खाया बीवी के हाथ का, and now I am back with full energy again. So now we'll be continuing with the topic of percentages. The concept which I'm going to talk about in this video is questions which are based on ratio and proportion and percentages. Again, I will reiterate what I've been saying all this while is converting fractions to percentages, percentages to fraction, understanding the meaning of fraction, percentage increase, percentage decrease, percentage change, etc. You need to watch the concept video. This will really help you in understanding the sums and solving the sums in a quicker way. So let's begin. So first question here is, a man decided to divide certain sum of money amongst his three sons, A, B and C. मुझे नहीं मालूम कि ये हमेशा क्वेश्चंस में बच्चों का नाम, नंबर का नाम A, B, C क्यों रखा जाता है, but I think for better understanding. So he is dividing the sum in A, B, C in the ratio 7:5:6. If B got 750, तो B का एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी दिया है. हाउ मच A got as a percentage of the total? सिंपल है. सो A, B और C ये तीन बच्चे हैं उसको 7:5:6 के रेशियो में दिया है. जो B की वैल्यू है वो 750 दी है, मतलब 5 की वैल्यू 750 है, तो 1 की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 150. यस और नो? विच मीन्स A की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 1050. 7 into 150, और इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 900. So we have been asked what is the percentage of A with respect to total. मतलब हमको A की क्वांटिटी जो 1050 है अपॉन टोटल which is 1800 here and 900, so 2700, इसके रिस्पेक्ट में कितने परसेंटेज है ये पूछा गया है. करेक्ट. 9 से काटेंगे तो 3 से जाएगा. 9 ones are 9, 50, 9 ones are 9. So 3 से काट लेते हैं, 9 करते हैं. 3 3s are 9, 15. So 3 5s are 15 and 0. So 350 upon 9. So 350 upon 9, we need to actually divide and see how much percentage it comes to. 9 3s are 27, 8 बच गया. So 772, again 8 बचा. तो 37.7% is the answer. So A has got 37.7% of share as compared to the total. Okay, next. Now again there are A, B, C, D. They are in ratio 2:3:1:5, and I've been given C plus D is 1800 in actual quantity. Then A plus B is what percentage of total? Again, so let us say I'm being given A is to B is to C is to D, 2:3:1:5. अच्छा, रेशियो में C plus D की वैल्यू कितनी है? 6, और क्वांटिटी में उसकी वैल्यू क्या करस्पॉन्ड कर रही है? 1800. सो एक की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 300. वेरी. नाउ आई एम बीन आस्क्ड A की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? 600 बिकॉज 300 into 2, और इसकी हो जाएगी 900. करेक्ट. नाउ टोटल, व्हाट इज टोटल? 1800, C plus D is 1800 and this is 1500. So total is 3300. And A plus B is 1500. So इसका परसेंटेज कितना पूछा है अपने को? So I'll cancel this. 11. This will be 500. Correct? So it is 500 upon 11. So ये कितना परसेंटेज हो जाएगा? So I can write this as 5 into 100 by 11. So 100 by 11 is how much? 9.09%, right? It is 1 upon 11 is 9.09%. So 5 into 9.5, so this will be 45.45. So it is 45.45% is A plus B of total. Clear? Again, see, the knowledge of fraction really helped us in solving this problem quicker. So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.